Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the insulator gasket on your leaf blower, make sure the engine has cooled. Next, you should remove the wire and boot from the spark plug to prevent the engine from accidentally starting. Lift the tab to detach the air filter cover. Use a T20 Torx bit to unthread the two mounting screws, securing the filter base and carburetor. Move the carburetor assembly out of the way, and you can remove the old insulator gasket, if still intact. Install the new gasket by positioning it on the carburetor and filter base assembly. Reposition the carburetor and filter base and thread the screws. Make sure the air filter gasket is properly positioned on the filter base. Then realign the cover and snap it into place. Reattach the wire and boot to the spark plug, and your leaf blower should be ready for use.